Alright, today we're going to install a new door handle for our Micro Mini Winnebago 2108DS. And so my wife found these on Amazon, these R-lock keyless entry pad that locks, and it actually has key fobs, which we're pretty excited about that. So we're going to install that today, open up this box and see what we got here. I'm going to have to slide this off, and then this comes open like this. So it's a very nice stout box. This door handle looks pretty stout. I mean, it's like all steel door handle, deadbolt. We found some instructions online how to install this. I look forward. Looks pretty simple, just removing some screws on the plate. So just some more of the hardware here. Nuts and bolts and screws and stuff like that inside here. Some key fobs, keys. And I think a striker plates and stuff. I ordered one with 2 key fobs, one for my wife and myself. And this is the plate that'll go inside the shelter. The release handle and all that stuff. And okay, wiring. So it looks pretty simple. Looks like just 4 screws, maybe 5. And so let's get our original one off of here. All right, first step said just to remove the inside door handle, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so once that comes off from there, now I'm just going to take these screws out, and this should just come out pretty easily. Just be able to rotate this thing out like that. It comes out just like that. There you go. So that is now out. I'm going to clean up this door frame around it a little bit, and let's get the other one installed. So I'm just going to feed this on the back side. This on here. Make sure that this is in here, just like that. Alright, screw it in there, make sure it's set in right. Next, you're going to put this striker plate on here. Alright, put your screws in there. Line up, put your screws in. Okay, next you're going to connect this wire together. And you're going to gently tuck these wires together back in here. Put this little turn here, this little turn knob that locks your deadbolt. That's also aligned with your this little silver knob here. So just make sure that that's aligned. So it's kind of tricky. So you need to pinch these wires, make sure fold these wires in here so it's not pinching anything or blocking your screw holes. And also make sure that you've got your lock thing aligned as well. So just kind of work on that. All right, and then once you got that all lined and pinched, you got this, make sure that this lock actuates your lock, your deadbolt. So once you got that in, the wires aren't pinched, start putting your screws back in. Sure door handle works. It's actually actuating the handle. Make sure your deadbolt's working. Okay, before you tighten it all the way down. That's how the handle's working. Okay, so everything looks to be working just fine. So we'll go ahead and tighten this all the way down. All right, so it comes with a new striker plate, so we're gonna go ahead and just replace it. It's identical, but we're electing to just choose to switch it out. So I just realized that my door wasn't shutting because my striker plate was upside down and it wasn't catching. And so if you're having that problem, just make sure that your striker plate isn't upside down. And because originally it was facing this way and my door would not catch because my door alignment was not aligning with this big gap of hole right here. It was just off, and I looked at it closely and I realized that it needed to be upside down or right side up. So anyway, so just make sure that if that's your problem, just make sure you got that placed the correct direction. Okay, just make sure when you're ready to start programming, make sure you pull your tab there.
Welcome to RV Lock.
Wow, wasn't expecting that. Okay, welcome to RV Lock. I don't know if you heard that or not. All right, so it says the default code is 1234. Okay, let's shoot again. Hard to. So that goes in and out every time you lock. So I'm gonna hit lock right here and see what it does. So it won't even let me lock it unless I have the code. So lock. All right, unlock. Cool. All right, so it says now if you want to reset your access code, you just hold down this button with something. Wait for a prompt. All right, once you got your new code entered in, flip up the learn mode for your key fob. And it says press relief fob learn using a slim pin. Okay, so there's a key fob and a learn button.
Connect your remote.
So let's press and hold.
Remote connected.
So now I can unlock. Where's the two? All right, so that's how you do the key fob. Okay, now that we have all this connected, I'm gonna lock this with this. Nice. Okay, locked. Okay, there you go. All right, well, thanks for watching, and hope you got this. I'll let you guys know an update on how well this RV lock system works as of right now. So far, so good.